Hi friends, in this video we'll discuss some of the basic formulas of integration. So integration of x power n dx is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of 1 by x dx is nothing but ln mod x plus c. Otherwise we can write this as log mod x to the base e plus c. So integration of e power x dx is nothing but e power x plus c. Integration of a power x dx is nothing but a power x by ln a plus c. So similarly this formula we can apply here as the difference is in place of constant a, here there is e which is also a constant. So we can apply this formula e power x by ln e plus c. So as ln e is 1, it will become e power x plus c only. Now coming to integration of sin x dx, which is nothing but minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x dx is nothing but sin x plus c. Integration of secant square x dx is nothing but tan x plus c. Integration of cosecant square x dx is nothing but minus cot x plus c. Integration of secant x tan x dx is nothing but secant x plus c. Integration of cosecant x cot x dx is nothing but minus cosecant x plus c. Integration of cot x dx, which is nothing but ln mod sin x plus c, otherwise you can write as minus ln mod cosecant x plus c. Integration of tan x dx, which is nothing but minus ln mod secant x plus c, otherwise minus ln mod cos x plus c. Integration of secant x dx is nothing but ln mod secant x plus tan x plus c, otherwise we can write this as ln mod tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Integration of cosecant x dx is nothing but ln mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c, otherwise we can write this as ln mod tan of x by 2 plus c. So these are the basic integration formulas. So thank you everyone.